afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Savage Garage. Today we are going to do a point of view ride along in my Murci SV. One of the things when I look at YouTube channels and want to watch a point of view video, I don't like a lot of talking. I want to hear the car, I want to hear the sounds of it. I promise you I'm not going to talk too much. I want you guys to hear the car and enjoy it. So let's take a ride. So before we get to that, let's get paid. Today's video is sponsored by Off the Record. Off the Record fights traffic tickets for drivers across the country. When you book a case with Off the Record, you're matched with an experienced local lawyer who handles your case from start to finish. And Off the Record has a 97% success rate. They offer their clients a full refund if they aren't able to keep the ticket off the client's driving record. Go online to offtherecord.com or download their app and use our code SG10. Once you register and put in our code, you'll get 10% off the first case, which can be used anytime in the next 3 years. So thanks to Off the Record for sponsoring today's video. Check the link in description below and find out all the services they can do for you. Now back to the video and stay savage. In the Murci now, so I'm going to stop talking now pretty much, and we're just going to go for a ride. that are on. I've never seen a Mercy without a Christmas tree going on. It's pretty amazing. So just a quick overview of how the Mercy is. You've got over here, you've got your reverse, your lights, all your different fog lights, your European fog settings. Over here, you've got flashers and turn signal stock. And over here, you've got your windshield wiper stock. Very simple. Very small steering wheel. Behind here is your air conditioning. All that. A lift system, mirrors, traction control, the rear cooling vents, which are disabled because we like them open all the time and it's better for breathing. Up and down on the electric windows. If you notice the seats are basically a carbon fiber race bucket. They're kind of tilted into the middle. Everything's kind of tilted into the middle, including the steering wheel. You can see is kind of off-centered. So look where my legs are here. If I put my legs straight, you can see it's moved over to the right. So thank you, Savage family, for watching today's POV drive. Check the link in the description below for all of our new merch, and stay savage. Ha ha ha.